નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સ્વાગત છે તમારું યુટ્યુબ ચેનલની અંદર. ધોરણ 10 ની અંદર આપણે અલગ અલગ સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીને લગતા પ્રશ્ન જવાબની આપણે ચર્ચા કરીએ છીએ. એમાં આજે આપણે જોવાની છે યુનિટ 10 અ ટેસ્ટ ઓફ ટ્રુ લવ, ખરા પ્રેમની કસોટી. એમના આધારે જે પ્રશ્નના જવાબ છે સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીના એની આપણે ચર્ચા કરશું. વિડીયો અંત સુધી જોજો. વિડીયો ગમે તો લાઈક કરજો અને તમારા મિત્રો પણ વિડીયો શેર કરજો. ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ન કરી તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેજો. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. માં પહેલો પેરેગ્રાફ તમને આપ્યો છે, એના આધારે પ્રશ્નો આપ્યા છે. પહેલું છે ફોર whom was the young lieutenant waiting. તેનો જવાબ થશે the young lieutenant was waiting for the woman who had been in his thoughts for the past 13 months. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે why did the woman's words mean a great deal to lieutenant. એનો જવાબ થશે the woman's words meant a great deal to the lieutenant because they had given him new strength. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે his heart was beating fast. Why? તેનો જવાબ થશે the lieutenant's heart was beating fast because though he had never seen the woman, she had been in his thoughts for the past 13 months. એ જ આધારે આપણે બીજો પેરેગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે. એમાં પ્રશ્ન છે પેલું છે how was Bladford to recognize his friend. જવાબ થશે Bladford was the recognize his friend by a red rose. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે describe the girl who passed by Blandford. જવાબ થશે the girl who passed by Blandford was about 18 years old and she was wearing a white rose. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે how old was Maynell. જવાબ થશે Maynell was 13 years old. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે his mind. ત્રીજો પેરેગ્રાફ છે એની અંદર પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે which book had Blandford read where. જવાબ થશે Blandford had read of human bondage in the training camp. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે what could Blandford not believe. જવાબ થશે Blandford could not believe that a woman could understand a man's thoughts so well. ચોથો પેરેગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે એની અંદર પ્રશ્ન જોઈએ. એમાં પેલું છે what was the woman's name. જવાબ થશે the woman's name was Wallis Maynell. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે how long did Blandford and Maynell write letters. તો એનો જવાબ થશે Blandford and Maynell wrote letters for 13 months. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે Blandford believed that. એનો જવાબ થશે he loved her and she loved him. ચોથો પ્રશ્ન છે why did Blandford believe that Maynell loved him. જવાબ થશે Blandford believed that Maynell loved him because even when his letters did not arrive, she kept on writing to him regularly. ત્યાર પછી પાંચમા પેરેગ્રાફ છે. એમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે why did Miss Maynell refuse to give her photograph. જવાબ થશે Miss Maynell refused to give her photograph because she thought that if his feelings for her had any reality, her looks won't matter. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે Miss Maynell said that if she was beautiful. એનો જવાબ થશે she would think that he was attracted to her pretty face and that kind of love would disappear her. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન Miss Maynell said that if she was not pretty. જવાબ થશે she would think that he wrote to her because he was lonely. ચોથો પ્રશ્ન છે what would displease Maynell. જવાબ થશે if Maynell was beautiful, she could think that Blandford only attracted by her pretty face. ત્યાર પછી છઠ્ઠો પેરેગ્રાફ આપણે આપ્યો છે, એના આધારે પ્રશ્નના જવાબો જોઈએ. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે describe the young woman. તેનો જવાબ થશે that young woman was tall, slender, had blue eyes, her lips and chin had a gentle firmness, and in her green suit she looked like itself, springtime itself. Second, Blandford's heart leaped. Why? And answer થશે because he was about to meet the woman whom he loved. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન, what did Blandford notice? નો આન્સર થશે Blandford noticed that the young woman did not have a red rose. સાતમો પેરેગ્રાફ છે એના આધારે પ્રશ્ન છે, describe the woman with the rose. નો આન્સર થશે the woman with the red rose was around 40 years old. Her grey hair was pulled under an old hat. She was fat and wearing an untidy coat. આઠમો પેરેગ્રાફ છે એના આધારે પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, why was Blandford confused? આન્સર થશે Blandford was confused because he had a strong urge to follow the young girl, and so he had a deep longing for the woman who had given him courage. Second question, what did Blandford notice about the elderly lady? Answer થશે Blandford noticed that the elderly lady's pale, plump face was gentle and kind, and her grey eyes were warm and friendly. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન, Blandford had a strong urge. એનો આન્સર થશે to follow the girl. ચોથો પ્રશ્ન છે, Blandford had a deep longing. તો એનો આન્સર થશે for the woman who had given him great courage and strength. નવમો પેરેગ્રાફ છે એની અંદર જોઈએ. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, what was Blandford holding in his hand? Why? જવાબ થશે Blandford was holding the book of human bondage to show who his was. Second question છે, what did Blandford decide about their relationship? Answer થશે Blandford decided that the relationship was not love, but it would be something precious, a friendship for which he would always be grateful. ત્યાર પછી 10મો પેરેગ્રાફ આવે છે એની અંદર આપણે જોઈએ. પ્રશ્ન પહેલો, how did Blandford greet the woman? એનો આન્સર થશે Blandford stood straight, saluted the woman and held the book towards her to introduce himself. Second one, what did Blandford think as he spoke to the woman? And answer thus, as Blandford spoke to the woman, he thought how different she was from the girl he had expected. ત્રીજો question છે, what did Blandford tell the woman? And answer thus, Blandford told the woman that he was glad they could meet and also invited her to dinner. ચોથો question છે, what did the woman say about the red rose? And answer થશે the woman said that the young lady in the green suit had asked her to wear the red rose on her coat. Answer જોઈએ હવે second question ના. Write whether the sentences are true or false. First one, Blandford was to recognize his friend by a white rose. False. બીજું છે, Maynell was 30 years old. એમાં આવશે true. ત્રીજું છે, Blandford had read the book of human baggage. માં true આવશે. ચોથું છે, Blandford and Maynell wrote to each other for 13 months. એમાં આવશે true. પાંચમું છે, Blandford believed that he loved Maynell and she loved him. એમાં true આવશે. છઠ્ઠું છે, Maynell gave her photograph to Blandford. એમાં false આવશે. સાતમું છે, the woman with the red rose was young. એમાં false આવશે. આઠમું છે, Blandford felt a strong urge to follow the young girl. એમાં true આવશે. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે, fill in the blanks selecting the correct words from the brackets. માં પહેલું છે એની અંદર જવાબ જોઈએ, નીરવ ખાલી જગ્યા that, તો expected that Jay would ખાલી જગ્યા him, તો invited him for the party. He ખાલી જગ્યા that, તો he believed that they were good friends. The friendship meant ખાલી જગ્યા to him, તો એમાં આવશે great deal. Second question જેમાં જવાબ જોઈએ, નીતા ખાલી જગ્યા the teacher, તો requested the teacher to ખાલી જગ્યા the, તો explain the meaning of a word. But the teacher ખાલી જગ્યા to help her, એમાં આવશે refused to help her. Nita was very ખાલી જગ્યા with the teacher, એમાં આવશે displeased with the teacher. ત્રીજું જોઈએ એની અંદર, Heta did not pay ખાલી જગ્યા to what, the attention to what the teacher was saying. She was ખાલી જગ્યા the music that, તેમાં attracted by the music that was being played outside. She had ખાલી જગ્યા to run out. She had a deep longing to run out and enjoy the music, but she did not have ખાલી જગ્યા have the ખાલી જગ્યા to do so. તેમાં આવશે courage to do so. ચોથાની અંદર જોઈએ grandfather's friend just ખાલી જગ્યા તેમાં આવશે passed by, but he did not ખાલી જગ્યા him તેમાં આવશે recognize him. I ખાલી જગ્યા his friend did not તેમાં આવશે suppose his friend did not ખાલી જગ્યા that તો notice that grandfather was standing with me. પાંચમાની અંદર જોઈએ a tall young lieutenant ખાલી જગ્યા his face તેમાં આવશે lifted his face ખાલી જગ્યા his eyes તેમાં આવશે narrowed his eyes and ખાલી જગ્યા the time તો noted the time. He was waiting for the woman whose words and had given him great ખાલી જગ્યામાં છે strength. ચોથું આપણે જોઈએ write short notes using the given questions. short note છે આપણે આપેલી છે, આપેલા ક્વેશ્ચન આધારે શોર્ટ નોટ છે એના જવાબો લખવાના છે, બરોબર. તો એમાં જોઈએ પહેલી તમને શોર્ટ નોટ આપેલી છે લ્યુટિનન્ટ બ્લેનફોર્ડ, બરોબર ને. તો એના પ્રશ્નની અંદર તમને ટોપિક આપેલા હોય એના આધારે તમારે જવાબ લખવાનો છે. તો જવાબ જોઈએ when Lieutenant Blandford was in a training camp, he had read a book titled Of Human Bondage. When he saw some notes in a woman's handwriting, he could not believe that a woman could understand a woman's thoughts so well. Her name was inside the cover of the book, Hollis Maynell. He found her address and wrote her letter. They wrote to each other for 13 months. Blandford believed that they loved each other. When he was waiting to see her, he saw a beautiful young girl, but she did not have a red rose. He wanted to follow her, but he also had a deep longing for the woman who had given him great courage and strength. The woman with the red rose was old and fat. Lieutenant Blandford showed the Book of Human Bondage to introduce himself. He decided that their relationship was not love, but it would precious a friendship for which he would always be grateful. He stood straight, saluted, and asked her out for dinner. ત્યારબાદ એમાં આવે છે બીજો શોર્ટ નોટ, એની અંદર આપેલું છે મિસ હોલિસ મેઇનેલ. એમાં પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલા હોય, પોઈન્ટ્સના આધારે તમારે એનો જવાબ લખવાનો હોય છે. એનો આન્સર આપણે જોઈએ હવે. Miss Maynell was a young woman of about 30. She had written her notes in the Book of Human Bondage, which Blandford read when he was in a training camp. When Blandford wrote her a letter, she replied. They wrote to each other for 13 months. She would write to him even if she did not get his letters. Her words gave him new strength. When Blandford requested for her photograph, she refused, saying that if his feelings were real, her looks would not matter to him. If she was beautiful, she would feel that Blandford was attracted by a pretty face. That kind of love would displease her. If she was not pretty, she would think that he was writing to her about because he was lonely. On the day of their first meeting, she took his test. They had decided that she would have a red rose and Blandford would carry the Book of Human Bondage. Maynell sent an old woman with a red rose to meet Blandford and see how he reacted. ત્યાર પછી ત્રીજી શોર્ટ નોટ આપી છે The End of the Story, The Test of True Love. તો એમનો આન્સર જોઈએ હવે આપણે, બરાબર. Blandford's attention was divided between the woman He felt a strong urge to follow the young and beautiful girl, but he also had a deep longing for the woman who had given him great courage and strength. He decided that their relationship was not love, but it would be precious a friendship for which he would always be grateful. He did not hesitate to introduce himself. He stood straight, saluted, and asked her out to dinner. The woman smiled and told him that the young lady had asked her to wear the red dress, and if Blandford invited her for dinner, she elderly should tell him that she was waiting for him at the restaurant across the street. This was Blandford's test, which he passed. He proved that his was true love. Question number 5. Rewrite the paragraph correcting the underlined words. એમાં જવાબ જોઈએ એટ સિદ્ધાર્થ's birth. હવે તે લખવાનું સિદ્ધાર્થ's birth. It was foretold that when the youthની જગ્યાએ young prince would grow up, he would give up his wealth, his family and his kingdom to become one of the greatest religious leaders. Question 6. Select the correct question to get underlined words as answer. First one is the peon rang the bell at 7:30 AM. એમાં આવશે જવાબ C. When did the peon ring the bell? Second one, Mr. Shukla has been working here for 20 years. એમાં answer આવશે A. How long has Mr. Shukla been working here? Third one is the teacher noticed Mohan cheating during the test. એમાં answer D આવશે. Whom did the teacher notice cheating during the test? Fourth one is Geeta has been studying since 6 o'clock. Answer આવશે A. Since when has Geeta been studying? Question number 7. Complete the sentences using the functions given in the brackets. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે એમાં duration of time છે ખાલી જગ્યા teaching you English. તેમાં answer આવશે how long have you been? Second one is Joy has been watching TV. એમાં ખાલી જગ્યા છે point of time તો since 9 o'clock. Third one, the children haven't ખાલી જગ્યા point of time તો played cricket since last Saturday. Question number 8. Complete the dialogue selecting the correct responses based on the functions given in the brackets. એમાં પહેલું છે મોહિત ખાલી જગ્યા duration of time. એમાં David for more than an hour now. આ ઉપરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે બનાવવાનો છે. તેનો જવાબમાં D ઓપ્શન આવશે. જવાબમાં Okay, how long have you been studying in the queue? Second one is Mona, who is that man? Ami ખાલી જગ્યા describing person. તેના જવાબમાં B option આવશે. That is the man whose son is in the army. Question number 9. Match the sentences with the correct function. First one is since when has Devang been studying? તેના જવાબમાં એમાં આવશે point of time. Second one, how long have you been teaching? એના જવાબમાં B option આવશે duration of time. Third one, since when have the children stopped playing cricket? એના જવાબમાં A option આવશે point of time. Question number 10, study the data and answer the questions. તેમાં ડેટા છે એટલો આપેલો છે એના આધારે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ લખવાના છે. જેમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે Who has given this advertisement? તો એનો આન્સર થશે શ્રી MJ Patel has given this advertisement. Second one is who is Mr. Patel? એનો આન્સર આવશે Mr. Patel is the managing trustee. Third one is the candidates should send their applications within. એનો આન્સર આવશે 7 days. Fourth one is what is the minimum qualification required? તો એનો આન્સર આવશે BA MAd. તો આ અલગ અલગ પ્રશ્નોના જવાબો. વિડીયો ગમ્યો તો લાઈક કરજો અને તમારા મિત્રો પણ વિડીયો શેર કરજો. સાથે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ન કરી તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેજો. નવા નવા વિડીયો ચેનલ પર મુકાતા રહેતા હોય છે. ઘણા બધા મુકાઈ પણ ગયા છે, ન જોવે તો એ પણ તમે જોઈ લેજો. આવનારી પરીક્ષાની તૈયારી કરતા રહેજો. નવા વિડીયોઝ છે જોતા રહેજો. ફરી પાછા નવા વિડીયો સાથે મળીએ. ત્યાં સુધી તમારી કાળજી રાખજો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ એન્ડ ટેક કેર.